so I'm gonna be sharing our little grocery haul. This is our Christmas dinner grocery haul. Everything over here I got from H-E-B, and then I got a few things over here from Walmart, so I'll be sharing that as well. This is our Christmas dinner haul. I'm gonna show you everything we've got and then tell you what we're making for Christmas, and then you guys are not gonna believe how much all of this cost. Starting over here, I got a 3-pack of these pans for like the sweet potatoes and the stuffing. Got a big old thing of French bread because I'm going to be making bread stuffing. We got some H-E-B Creamy Creations vanilla bean ice cream. We got a thing of eggs. Got some brown sugar, 4 sweet potatoes because I'm going to be making the sweet potato casserole again, which is why I got the marshmallows. So we also got some mini marshmallows. We got some butter, some spicy brown mustard, some chicken broth, garlic powder, onion powder, and poultry seasoning. We also got a can of beans, 2 cans of green beans, and 1 can of pineapple slices, which is for the ham. Got a box of the H-E-B macaroni and cheese. We got a bone-in hickory smoked ham, a green bell pepper and a white onion, and a bag of broccoli. We're going to be making a ham. We're making bread stuffing. We're making beans, green beans, macaroni and cheese, and also the sweet potato casserole. That's what we're going to be making for Christmas. So over here is the Walmart haul. We got these little Christmas napkins for Christmas dinner. And then we also got a pack of these Christmas plates. Got some bird food, and then I also got some of these dishwasher packs. Alright, so my H-E-B grocery haul, which is my little Christmas dinner haul, literally only costed $49.95. So our whole Christmas meal is $49.95. And the reason why that is, at H-E-B, if you bought the ham, you got the macaroni for free, you got the broccoli for free, got the sweet potatoes for free, and we got the ice cream for free. How about that? That was a pretty good deal they had going on for Christmas. So it was $49.95. I saved 55 cents from on-sale savings, $3.67 from H-E-B brand savings, and then $13.53 worth of coupons. So that was the free stuff we got. In total, we saved $17.75. Yeah, that's our little grocery haul, H-E-B and Walmart, and I hope you enjoyed it. All right, so it's Christmas Eve morning, and I'm making me and my husband some breakfast. I made us a breakfast scrambler and some pancakes from scratch. For the scrambler, I just saute some bell pepper and cook in some sausage, and once the sausage is done, just crack your eggs in the same pan and cook it until it's done. For the pancakes, I just googled a recipe and followed it, and they turned out delicious. And then later that day, I prepped some food so that I wouldn't have to do it all on Christmas Day. I always cut up my vegetables and get my bread ready the night before so it'll be easier to deal with the next morning. So I'm cutting up my vegetables for the stuffing, and I'm going to be ripping the loaf of bread apart and putting it on a cookie sheet so it can dry out for the next day, even though it never really dries out. I always end up having to put it in the oven to dry out the day that I'm cooking it. But yeah, I just wanted to get all of that done the night before. So now it's Christmas morning, and I figured I would get one last shot of my Christmas tree before it gets taken down. So here she is, all lit up but not decorated. But I can't lie, I'm so glad I didn't decorate it this year because it wasn't that much to put away, so I'm grateful for that. And now I'm going to do some quick cleaning, and I just realized in all of these clips in this video I am wearing the same clothes, so don't be judging me, y'all. I guess that was just my cleaning clothes for the week. But yeah, I'm just going to do some quick vacuuming and mopping the floor using my wet vac, and then I'll also be wiping off all of the kitchen counters as well. So now that I'm done cleaning, it's time to start prepping all of my food. I started off with the sweet potatoes because I knew they was going to take me the longest, so I'm peeling the sweet potatoes and cutting them up, and then I'm going to boil them. This is my first time using fresh sweet potatoes to make the sweet potato casserole, and honestly, I think it turned out way better than how I've done it prior, which was canned or like already cubed in a bag. The fresh sweet potatoes turned out so much more delicious. I'm also opening up the can of baked beans and the green beans and getting those two things out of my way. So my sweet potatoes are done, and I'm going to go ahead and make the mixture for the casserole, which consists of vanilla, salt, butter, the sweet potatoes, and an egg. And I also added in lots of cinnamon. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to put it in the oven and then start on my stuffing. So for the stuffing, I'm melting some butter and minced garlic in my pan, and then I'm going to saute my vegetables. I'm adding in some salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and poultry seasoning. And once I'm done with that, I'll start making the stuffing, which is pretty easy to make. You literally just mix the vegetables with the bread, add your chicken broth, add your seasonings, and mix and taste as you go. And then you bake it. The seasonings, I just use salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and lots and lots and lots of poultry seasoning. And this is my little ham that I'm going to be cooking in the air fryer, and the sweet potatoes was done cooking, so I'm going to go ahead and add the marshmallows and then put them back in the oven. And then I'm going to be getting out my little Christmas napkins and my plates and setting them out as well. And now everything is finished. Everything turned out delicious. Honestly, I wasn't sure if the ham was going to turn out okay in the air fryer, but it turned out perfect. I also made a glaze off camera. I forgot to show y'all. I just mixed some pineapple juice and brown sugar and poured it all over the ham. That was my first time ever making a ham, and I really enjoyed it. I think I would rather do that from now on than make a turkey, because I'm not the biggest fan of turkey, but I do love ham, and this one just turned out so good. However, I have to say that the girls did not like the ham, okay? Cannoli did, but the other girls would not even touch it, so they got some of their Waruva canned food, which was the green eggs and chicken flavor, and that was much better. So then after I cooked and we ate and I cleaned up the mess, we went over to my parents to see my mom and dad, and I got to see all of these little cuties. I got to see some of my nieces and nephews, and then also my great niece and my great nephews as well. And then I also got to see one of my fur nieces. My mom got me this jacket for Christmas. It's a blue jean jacket with fur, and I love it so much. She also got us some gift cards, but I'm loving this jean jacket, y'all. It was perfect. So now it's the day after Christmas, and I am not wasting any time. It is time to put all of the Christmas decor away and the Christmas tree. I'm so glad I got this all done and over with today, because Christmas is done and over with, and I am done with Christmas, and I am over it all. The only thing I'm going to miss, honestly, was probably my kitchen decor, but I'll get over it and I'll see it again next year, so it's no big deal. But have y'all taken your Christmas tree down yet? If not, here's your sign to take it down. Unless you like to leave it up, then do your thing, but it ain't for me. So anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna take everything down and put it all away in my storage closet and then clean up all of the mess after.
Forever, I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson, cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
I'm literally so happy that I done this today. It feels so much fresher and cleaner in here and less cluttered, and I have no regrets, y'all. No regrets at all. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a Happy New Year. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I love and appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all next year. Bye!